Hello everyone, very good morning. And in today's session, we are going to discuss about what is the use of set update task local. It's very useful, very meaningful, you know. So let's understand where we can use and how we can use. So let's directly go into the system. I have created already one program and one function module here. You can see this is the update. This is a normal function module here, right? Regular function module, and this function module is calling a update function module in update task, right? Whenever we call a update function module in update task, it get called asynchronously, and when the commit work statement comes into picture, you know, it trigger the update function module and update the record, right? So this is a normal function module. It's calling the update function module, and after that we are using the commit work statement, right? And this update function module, you can see that it's modifying the record from this database table. So just assume that after commit work statement, I have written select star from this table into the rate data it underscore simply it all the data, right? And cl underscore uh, maybe one export parameter, we can put it over here, export parameter et type under the tables. However, it has been obsolete, but let's use it directly over here. It will be easy for us. And that, right? Save this one. Flat types may only be refilled using the like. Okay, that's fine. Just save it. Parameter already defined. Okay, that's let's use the city over here. So it looks good. It is not required. Let me remove this. Just save this one and come here, source code, and instead of it directly, we can populate this city, the one under the tables we have defined. So into table, right? Control F2, Control F3, and activate this one. So this is the function module. See, this commit work will not wait to get completely execute this FM, right? It is just asynchronous update. Commit work simply will give you a asynchronous update. I will show you. See here, it's wait up to 2 seconds is there, right? So it will first wait for 2 seconds and then it will come to this modify statement, right? So let's go there basically, and this time I'm going to give 110 roll number. So in that table, you can see that the entry in this table up to 108 is there, right? Up to 108 is there. So next entry, I would like to put it 109 instead of 110. So now what I'm going to do that, I'm going to run this particular function module. Okay, activate this and just run this. So put the breakpoint first over here, just run this one. Okay, and run it. So you see that commit work I have done, it has not wait for 2 seconds, right? And directly the control has come over here. So just press F8 and the 10 record, right? So 109 is now updated because in debugger I have waited more than 2 seconds. So meanwhile it would have updated. So in order to make sure that you understand it, let me wait for 5 seconds, right? And then I'll just show you. So commit once again, right? And run it. And we have to change some, record also, right? So that it will be visible. So this time 109 already updated, right? So 110 we are going to put this time. So let's run this one, uh, run this one, press F8 and just run it. See, I'm going to press F6, see, and press F6. So less than 2 seconds itself, I have put this select query, executed this select query. Let's see that 11th record has not come yet, right? Only the 10 records we are having, right? So 110 is not updated, but by this time 5 seconds would have been completed and commit work is already executed. So update function would have been triggered, and now, you know, uh, it will be there. It would have been updated now if you refresh it. Okay. So let's go to the table, basically data browser, yes, and just refresh. You can see that it's 110 has come, right? 110 has come over here. So if you don't know about the update function module, go through the YouTube playlist, function module, right? Everything from scratch to advanced is there, or you can subscribe to my ABAP course where everything from scratch to advanced, like data dictionary, report, module pool, BAPI, BDC, Smart Form, Adobe Form, LEI doc, all these things have been discussed in very depth, right? That's worth investing course, right? So you have seen, right, how it's working. So the commit, and one more time, just one more time to make sure that you are understanding. 111, right? And this time I'm not going to put the breakpoint. Okay, come here, uh, come here and go back, go back, go back, remove this breakpoint, don't require, right? And see what's the record I have given this time. 1111, right? So if I run it 1111, just press F8, right? What's I'm going to run? See, 11 records you are having at this moment, but that means, so 1111 would have been updated or not? No, obviously at this moment would have not been updated, right? It got updated because of more than 5 seconds, right? Because of more than 5 seconds. Quickly I will run and I will show you that after 5 seconds you will be able to see that it will be updated over here, because we have written wait up to 5 seconds. So instead of wait up to 5 seconds, if I'm going to uh, write it, maybe wait up to 10 seconds, right? It will be clearly visible. So come once again to this, go back, this one, run this, activate this, and run it once again. See, we have to change the code here, 112, right? And let's go and execute now. So just going and executing once again. So here, quickly come to the data browser and keep a refresh. See, it's not refreshed. So after 10 seconds, it will be updated. So just see, it got updated because wait up to 10 seconds. Now the actual problem, what is going to come, basically that, see, if you want to get the, if you want to select a star from this into table this, right, updated data. So how you can achieve? You can put commit work and wait. So by this way we can achieve, we can put it. So if this is the custom function model, you can achieve by writing like this, right? It will wait until unless the update is going to be, trigger, it will wait. So it will wait at this moment itself for the 10 second. Earlier it was not waiting, right? Because now I have written and wait. So if you put the breakpoint and press F8, run this one and see, press F6, see, it's waiting. Earlier you would have observed it was quickly going over here. It is going to wait for the, 10 seconds, and after that it will come. So you will get the updated record at this moment, right? So 13 records, you got it over here. 112, you got the, so It will wait till the record is updated in the update function module. So that's the beauty of commit, walk and wait. So if you give the 30, see, and if you run it once again, so I'm going to run it once again, you will get the updated data basically. So press F8, F8. See, it will take time because it will take 10 seconds minimum, because wait up to 10 seconds I have written. It will not quickly go ahead. And after 10 seconds we will get, and here you will see the updated record 113 we are having, right? The updated record we are having. See, 113. Now let's just assume that this function module is the standard function module, right? And you are not able to disturb the logic of the standard function module, correct? And this standard function module you are calling from your custom report. So one custom report already I have created, and from here I'm calling, right? And what I want to do, that I want to get the updated record from this database table, and I want to display. So let's suppose the updated record, I want to update 114, and here test one, maybe test, and just activate this one, activate this one. Okay, and I'm going to run this. Let me comment this. So already commit work statement is written inside this update function. Commit and wait, commit work and wait is not there. Only commit work is written. Okay, in this standard function module. Just assume that this is a standard function module. You are calling this function module, so it will not give you the guarantee that you will be having the updated record into this, because inside this commit work statement you have written. Now you are trying to do here commit work and update, commit work and wait. Then what will happen, that it will not work. If you here you write again commit work and wait, it will not work, because already here the commit work statement means already your one logical unit of work for the dbluw, already dbluw is got the instruction to have the commit asynchronously, right? After that, again, if you set the command to dbluw that commit work and wait, it will not work, because dbluw will get the instruction only once, and the first instruction run in asynchronous mode, it will start working in asynchronous mode. I will show you that it's not going to work. So so wait up to 10 seconds I have written. See, I'm putting the breakpoint over here, press F6, right? So call this function module. So calling this function module, giving a dump, a missing parameter in call function. There is some problem. Okay, I got the problem. In the normal function module, change tables function we have given. Let's mark it as optional. I don't want to pass any value, right? So that's why it was giving the dump. Now it will work smoothly. Come here, I'm going to change mode, and already breakpoint is there. Just run it. Okay. So press F6, see here, and so the already function module is executed. Commit work also executed, right? Now commit work and wait will not work. See, up to 10 seconds like that, it's not working, correct? So here you will not get the updated record. Last record, because it has been already 10 seconds. That's why you were able to get, right? But you know, if I run without getting it stopped, it will not work. So let me put this one as 15 and test 2. Okay, and I will not run in a debugger. Okay. I will not run in a debugger. Then you will see. Press F8. See, your 115 is not updated, right? 115 is not updated. It didn't wait to complete for that inside this the update FM to complete and come back, right? Because inside this a commit work you are using, correct? So here the point is, if you are using the commit work inside this function module, then commit work and wait is not going to work and your requirement to get the updated record, then what is the solution? That's where the set update task local comes into picture. How it works? Let me explain it. This report, when it's going to get start, is going to get start in the no dialog work process. Okay, dialog work process, it's going to get start where you can see what kind of work process is going to be there. SM66 active work process. I will show you. We'll put here the debugger. Let me comment first this and existing behavior, how with respect to our work process, how it's going to be there, and I will show you. Press F8 and see call function, right? At this moment, if you go and check out all and active work process, two dialog work process, one is in debugging, right? Here in debugging, and one in which I have logged in. So two work process is getting. Now I'm going to press F5. So another FM is getting called. So this is again getting executed by same, this debugger work process only, dialog work process. So if you refresh it, see only the same. But this one is going to get called in the update task, update function module. So when you press F5 or F6, anything, I'm going to press F6. One update work process have been triggered and 3 will be here. Okay. So here now also it's a dialog only. It's showing dialog only, right? There should be an update also, correct? SAPLZ. Okay, so already actually our dialog work process has been triggered. That's why update is not getting triggered. It looks like that. But sorry, I'm sorry. How the update will trigger at this moment? Until and unless commit work is executed, right? So just press F6 over here and come here and refresh this. See, update work process has been now triggered, right? Because the commit work is executed. We were checking without executing the commit work, right? So update has been triggered now, right? And now press F6 and update will be there minimum for 10 seconds because wait up to 10 seconds I have written, and update is now gone because 10 seconds is completed, that is executed, right? So this is how the flow is there. So dialog work process, then update work process. Why update work process? Because in update task we are using the command, and update task if you are using, that means it's getting called asynchronously, that means in parallel. Okay, so because you are using update work process, so it's helping you to achieve the parallel execution, right? Asynchronous call. Okay, now just come here. Now when you enable this one, your update task is going to get triggered by dialog work process only. It will not trigger one extra update work process. And because the root work process, the main work process itself is going to get trigger the update, it has to wait, there is no other way. So when the commit work is going to get executed, it will wait. I will show you that it's going to work. First, let me show you that you will get the correct result. Okay. So now if you are going to use the commit work and wait, if uh, if either you use the commit work or commit work and wait, there is no problem. Here in this update task, set update task local, here already commit work I'm using. So this commit work is going to behave like synchronous means a step by step. Until unless it's going to get completely executed, it will not go ahead to the next statement, right? So it will wait because the single work process is involved in updating the stuff. So after commit work statement, it has to wait. Let's go and see how it's going to work. Press F8 and here I'm pressing F5 and getting called in update task, right? So now come to SM66, just to refresh the one. Now only two dialog work process, right? And I'm going to execute the commit work. So now also see commit work I have triggered, and now you can see that only the dialog, and it's waiting, right? It's waiting. This commit work itself is behaving like a commit work and wait, right? So you probably, understood how the set update task locally is so useful. This it's making the commit work to behave like a commit work and wait. Why? Because after commit work, it's not calling the update work process. It's using the same work process for the update. That means it's calling synchronously, right? And then it's making sure that you are going to get the updated record, right? So you can see that you are getting the updated record. So what you understood, I'm going to remove all this breakpoint, right? All this breakpoint, and I will show you the complete execution, that though only the commit work statement is written over here without changing anything in the standard FM. We are assuming that this is a standard FM. Without changing anything in the standard FM, we are making commit work to behave like a commit work and wait, right? So that's the power of the set update task local. It's going to be very useful in your development, right? You can use the power of this set update task local in order to make sure that everything is updated, then only go ahead, right? And you might have seen in a standard report, right, while debugging a set update task local many times, right? And this is how we can use in our uh, real-time development also. So now let me show you by executing completely. So come here, and instead of 115, I'm going to give the 200, and here the student name is final. Okay, just giving this name as the final, activate this one, and I'm going to run this main program. Okay, press F8. See, it's waiting. It will execute up to 10 seconds minimum, because wait up to 10 seconds I have written, right? Never where I have written anywhere, commit work and wait. Still the commit work is going to get executed, and you can see that you are getting the updated data, right? So hope you learned about the set update task local well in the today's session, right? And thank you very much for watching this video, attending this session, right? You can go and look out my a website over here where various courses I have put it, right? So just go here and go to the courses, right? And you can see that there are various courses in depth I have created for you. If you like any of the courses, just go and subscribe. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this. We'll meet in the another video. Bye bye. Take care.